In a quiet forest, Mr. Whiskers adjusted his tiny red tie and looked up at the trees. "Good morning, friends," he said. "Have you ever wondered why birds sing?" A curious rabbit hopped closer. "Is it because they're happy?" Mr. Whiskers smiled. "Sometimes, yes. But birds also sing to talk to each other. They use songs to say, 'This is my home,' or 'I'm looking for a friend.'" The forest filled with gentle chirps. "Each bird," Mr. Whiskers continued, "has its own song, like we have our own names. So when you hear them singing, remember, they're having a little forest conversation." He tipped his hat. "And that's the melody of nature.